Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your league name in FC Mobile. If you want to rebrand your league, make it more creative or simply update it for your team, here is how you can easily do it. First of all, launch open the FC Mobile game on your device, and once you're inside the lobby screen, tap on the Leagues button at the bottom of the screen. Under Leagues, tap on the gear button at the top left right in front of your Leagues logo. From the League settings page, you will see the Edit League button. Tap on the pencil button right next to it. Now go to the League Name tab and go ahead and erase the current name and write down a new one. Once you are done, click on Done at the bottom and you will then be able to change the league's name in FC Mobile. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.